Stand up tall and nice, take a few deep breaths. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms all the way up as you inhale, and make sure you have a normal deep breath. So in Utkatasana, the chair pose, your body weight should be onto your thighs instead of your knees. Now begin to sit in chair pose, but this time place your torso completely onto your thighs by extending your arms all the way forward, and place your palms really wide and nice and onto the mat so that you gain some balance. And once you're ready, just bring your left elbow onto the right side of your thigh so that you create a nice twist onto your spine by bringing your arms together in Namaste position.
Begin in downward facing dog. Inhale forward into a plank pose and drop your forearms to the ground, and ensure that your elbows are shoulder width apart and your forearms are parallel to the mat. Exhale and lifting your hips into a downward facing dog, and inhale forward while touching your head to the floor beneath your chest. Now exhale back into downward facing dog. Repeat for 10 inhales and exhales. Start in a low plank position with your body in a straight line, your elbows bent and under your shoulders and your feet together. Rotate your hips to the right and dip your body almost to the floor. Return to the starting position and repeat on the left side. Keep your core engaged at all times. Push your belly button in toward your spine and breathe slowly and deeply. Maintain your head and neck relaxed and dip your body as low as you can without losing your form. Repeat for 6 to 8 reps on each side for 2 to 3 sets.
Place your right leg or left leg 4 feet gap between both legs forward. Okay. Now shift all the body weight towards your leg that you have placed forward. Place your hand down and raise your leg back. See to that your toes and your hip are in a straight line. Now place your one hand down. My left leg is down, so I'm placing my left hand down, not in line with my left leg, side of my left leg. Try to get the stability. Now gently take your right hand up and then turn your neck. Look at your finger points. Stay here for 5 to 6 breaths.
So begin by standing really tall and nice, maintain your posture and bring your right leg forward just like this. And from here, as you keep your breath really normal, so take your weight, like basically shift your weight towards your right foot, and your left foot is really slightly off the mat, and slowly you're going to bring your body weight completely onto the right foot. So for that you need to really prepare yourself. So don't worry, you're not going to fall down. So be really confident in what you're doing. So it's after all yoga, so take it really fun. Okay, so from here bring your body weight completely towards your right leg. It's okay to wobble, it's completely okay to wobble, but make sure you focus at one point, which is really going to help you go into the posture. So from here, shifting your body weight all the way towards your right leg and slowly extending the back foot really back and bringing your torso straight. And once you're ready, slowly bring your arms all the way up and look down. So once you are into the posture, just hold it for 3, 2, 1.